Hi, students, and welcome to week 3 in your online general psychology course. This week we are covering chapter 2, which is on the scientific method. So, really looking at the research aspects that we use in psychology. So, we'll take a look at our module here, but first, I just want to mention you seem to be doing a great job. You figured out Connect pretty quickly. And so, really, what you saw last week with chapter 1, those Connect assignments, the quiz, those are going to be pretty consistent as the chapters change. And then this week, in addition to some Connect assignments and a quiz, you also have a writing assignment, this research design, that I'll come back and talk about at the end of this quick video. So in our module here, you have access to the PowerPoint slides. You're going to actually have 2 Connect assignments this week. And so one is going to be over this scientific method here. And then the other one is this one my screen keeps changing on me. It'll be over the types of research design. So they're short, they're quick, they're not long assignments, but make sure you get both of those Connect assignments due. And then, of course, you have your chapter 2 quiz. So you did great on chapter 1 quiz. So kind of, very similar, just the content is changing and now covering chapter 2. So those are the assignments for the week. In total, you have 4 research design, 2 Connect assignments, and the quiz. Let's take a look at this research design assignment a little bit more closely. I do want to say, don't see that research here and think I'm asking you to do a research paper or even going into the peer-reviewed articles. That's not what this assignment is about. So let's take a look at it. So don't let that run you off. In addition to it being a significant grade, weighted a little more heavily than maybe some of the other assignments you do, it's also the assessment that I'm using to record whether or not you're meeting the student learning outcome number 1. So let's take a look here. So I'm just going to briefly talk about it right here in the video, but please watch this video here embedded in the assignment that will explain it in great detail and give you examples and so forth. So basically what you are doing are answering these 4 questions. I want you to hypothetically, so you're not really doing research, you're not really going to go carry out your design. I just want you to think like a psychologist, which in this chapter is going to teach you concepts related to thinking like a scientist in the field of psychology. And I want you just, hypothetically on paper, not really carrying it out, I want you to design a research project. So, choose a human behavior that you want to research. That's question number 1. Number 2, formulate your hypothesis. The book will help you with that. Number 3, choose your research design method. In your chapter you'll be reading about, you also have a Connect assignment over it, the different types of research that we use. So these question number 1, 2, and 3 are very quick, short answers. You're not writing a paper here, you're really kind of doing a worksheet if you want to think about it that way. And then number 4 is about a paragraph or so where you really tell me what your research is all about and how you'll do it. Think about the number of people in your study, all the details that you can provide, etc. So watch this video because that's going to help you understand this assignment even further. But I just wanted to showcase it here and for you to see it's not a paper, it's not very long. Again, questions 1, 2, and 3 are really couple words to answer it, possibly maybe a sentence here on hypothesis, and then about a paragraph on question number 4. So keep up the great work. We've got a great start going here. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Have a great week, everybody.